Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
So we're gonna try this. The girl that I seen on TikTok, I know I said this is gonna be music, but the girl that I seen do this on TikTok put her cottage cheese and that's watery in her pasta sauce. So I did put a little bit like the remaining sauce that I had already in there. Well, let's try this. I got my cottage cheese. It says it's low fat. I was thinking about just doing like dollop in there. We're gonna do 2 scoops. This is Prego. And then I'm gonna add some pasta water, just a little bit. Just to kind of thin it out. Ooh, I'm a little scared. Okay, so I just blended it smooth. I just blended it out smoothly, and then we're gonna add it to our pasta sauce. We're gonna add the cottage cheese and Prego sauce mixture in there. We're gonna start. That don't look too bad, right? y'all, so here is the baked ziti before I put it in the oven. Sadly, I don't have no aluminum foil. So there's that. And this is actually a lot, so I'm definitely gonna be able to what is it called? No. 400 for, we're gonna do 20 minutes. We're gonna broil it for probably like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna clean my mess up real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when the food is done.
Only because you said it did.
Don't play with it, don't be the size. Still not understand.